Hey, we're in the shop at Metal Tech. This is Mark. We're getting ready to install a snorkel on a 2014 FJ Cruiser. And the couple of tips that I'm going to show you today is universal. Any snorkel installation on any vehicle, you can use these two tips that I'm going to show you. That anytime we're drilling holes through painted surfaces on a vehicle. So I'm going to show you what we're doing and go from there. So first thing is, you're going to notice that there are blue painter's tape on certain areas on the panel of this truck right now. And the reason for that is that those are the areas where there's going to be holes drilled through there. And what happens is by putting paint there, the area, when we start bringing a hole, drill a hole in there, it's less likely to ship the clear coat or the paint to flake away. The tape helps secure and handle the shock load of the drilling action. And also any little chips or swarf that comes off from cutting isn't going to spin around and garf up the paint around that area. So that's the first step. Template holes are done, so we're going to pull the template off. And we have marks where each one of the holes are going to go. Now we can drill this without concern about chipping up the paint. All right, second tip. We've got the holes are cut. We have gone in like a good little installer and deburred the holes using a round small file. Those files are easy to find, used for like sharpening chainsaws, that sort of thing. So you can find those at the nice, easy little round files from your buddy with a chainsaw. But here's the next tip. This is the big one. This is a really simple, inexpensive. We have raw steel because we've cut those holes. We exposed between where the paint's been removed and obviously where we've sliced through it. So we need to touch it up. And so one of the best easy touch-up paints is fingernail polish. This stuff is hard acrylic. It dries quickly. It's relatively inexpensive, and it comes with a cool little brush that makes it really easy to fill in holes. So, or to touch up holes that you've cut holes through sheet metal. Anyway, I highly recommend just grabbing some dollar store paint, fingernail polish. Just get a couple bottles of it. I got a black and I got a white one that I keep around that covers most vehicles. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. As far as the color, you could use bright red, something sparkly, doesn't matter. Nobody's going to see it. It's hidden behind something. You're just protecting the sheet metal. But just pick up the sheet metal, the fingernail polish. I don't recommend swiping it from your significant other or your girlfriend. That's probably not going to end well for you. So best thing to do is just grab some dollar store stuff. It's going to work just fine. But that's the other one. So just use fingernail polish and it touches up.